In this video from Device Doctor, I'll show you how to fix the common HP color LaserJet CP5525 error 99.09.67 not bootable and get your printer working again. Let's get started.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
Look, when we turn on the HP color LaserJet CP5525, the error 99.09.67 not bootable appears. This means the printer cannot start properly. To fix this problem, we could replace the printer's hard drive or even the main control board. But we will start with the easiest and most affordable method, which is updating the printer's firmware. If this method works and the error is fixed, there will be no need to buy a new hard drive or main board. To start fixing the error, we need a USB flash drive with the firmware file. The flash drive should be less than 8 GB or up to 16 GB. We tested flash drives with 64 GB or more, and the printer does not accept them. Downloading the firmware file is very easy. Just go to Google and type the name of your printer, followed by the word driver. Now open the first website that appears. It is the official HP website. When you open the HP website, you will see the name and picture of your printer on the page. Scroll down a little and look for the section called Firmware. This is where the system updates for your printer are listed. Click on the Firmware option and then press the Download button to get the file. After downloading the file, extract it and move the extracted firmware files into your USB flash drive. You need to be careful at this step. After extracting the firmware file, you will notice that the files are still inside a folder. You must take those files out of the folder and place them directly in the main area of the USB flash drive. If the files stay inside a folder, the printer will not detect or read them. Make sure they are visible directly. Now, connect the USB flash drive that contains the firmware files to the printer. Using the printer's keyboard, navigate to the Administrator option and open it. Now, before starting the firmware update, run Format Disk once, and then perform a partial clean. These two steps help remove any corrupted data or old system files, making sure the new firmware installs smoothly and without errors. Now, open the Download option from the menu, then select USB thumb drive, and you will see the firmware file that you placed on your USB. Select the firmware file and press the OK button to start the update process. The printer will begin reading and installing the new firmware automatically. The process of transferring the firmware to the printer will take about 5 to 10 minutes. Be patient and do not turn off or unplug the printer during this time, as it may cause serious errors or damage. After the firmware is transferred, press the back button to go to the main menu. Then choose Continue and press OK. This will let the printer finish the update and start working normally. Now, the printer update process will take about 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure the printer stays connected to a stable power source during this time, so it does not turn off or get interrupted. If updating the firmware does not fix the error on your printer, you will need to replace the hard drive first. If the problem still continues even with a new hard drive, then you will have to replace the main control board completely. Continuing with the printer setup is very simple. Just wait for the update process to finish, and then set the date and time on the printer. After that, your printer will be ready to use. Thank you for watching this video from Device Doctor. I hope this guide helped you fix your HP color LaserJet CP5525 and understand the process clearly. If you found this video useful, please please like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Your support motivates me to create even better content. And if you want to support the channel even more, you can leave a monetary tip in the comments. Every contribution helps us bring more solutions and guides directly to you. Stay tuned, stay curious, and I will see you in the next video.